So, with the Pixel 9a's launch drawing closer, leaks and rumors have shed light on what Google's latest budget-friendly smartphone might offer. Expected to debut in March, this device is generating buzz due to its potential upgrades and refined design. One of the standout changes is the Pixel 9a's display. Reports suggest it will feature a 6.3-inch Actua screen with a 120Hz refresh rate for a fluid user experience. The phone's dimensions are said to be more compact than its predecessors, and it may also be lighter. In terms of aesthetics, Google could introduce 4 color options: peony, iris, obsidian, and porcelain, offering a fresh palette for buyers. Internally, the Pixel 9a is rumored to be powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset, complemented by the Titan M2 security chip for enhanced protection. The device may pack 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and offer up to 256 GB of internal storage, positioning it close to the flagship Pixel 9 series in terms of performance. Additionally, Google is expected to incorporate AI-driven enhancements to elevate the overall user experience. On the photography front, the Pixel 9a is said to sport a dual-camera setup featuring a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel secondary lens. Details about the front-facing camera are still under wraps, but given Google's track record in computational photography, the Pixel 9a is likely to deliver strong imaging performance despite its budget-friendly positioning. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 9a could see notable improvements. It is rumored to pack a 5100 mAh battery, which should offer extended usage time. Additionally, support for 23 watts wired charging could enable faster power replenishment. When it comes to pricing, reports suggest that the Pixel 9a could launch under $499 for the 128GB variant, which indicates a possible shift toward a slightly higher segment within Google's mid-range lineup. As for availability, speculation points to an official announcement on March 19th, followed by a market launch on March 26th. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9a? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in my next video.